Fortune said headshots only.
This is an authorized warning from the US government and the CZI. If you are seeing this, then a creature is moving in your direction, and you must immediately take cover. The creature in question is 35 feet and 7 inches tall, and can run up to 500 miles per hour. It is able to throw a Panzerkampfwagen 8 Maus with ease, and can withstand any man-made weapon with ease. Nukes are out of the question. The CZI strongly suggests taking cover underground. If you can't, then hide underneath something, and pray you are not trampled. The creature is normally very passive to humans, but it would only enter this state of rage if shot at, despite its massive size and durability. Take cover now. If you are the person who angered it, then please go outside and go towards it. It'll save countless lives. It will kill you quickly. You will know of the creature's presence when you hear this roar. This has been a message from the US government. May Father save you all.